we're just going to do a Dransword versus Hellsscythe battle. Today I am joined here by my brother. He's going to be repping Dransword or Hellsscythe. Which one do you want?
Hellsscythe.
Cool. I'll use Dransword then. Do you want string launcher or ripcord?
I'll take ripcord.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, I like it better. I think it has more power in it.
Yeah, me too. But I do like the blue. 3, 2, 1, go. Sword. I think, I lose to spin here. Nice. Good hit. Yeah, that one over.
3, 2, 1,
go.
Ooh,
big hits. Dransword first. Ooh, nice. 1, 2, I think.
Got it.
Nice.
It's always hard to get out. Like, you gotta reach in there.
3, 2, 1, go. Nice.
2, 1. Wait, 2, 2? 2, 1.
2, 2. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! That's 5, 2.
Hellsscythe wins the battle.
Yeah. Well, that round. 3, 2, 1, go. Big hit. Dransword.
Go.
Oh.
Good game.
Nice. So, that is
3,
1-0.
2, 1, go.
Knockout for me.
Wait, is that a 3-pointer if they go out there too?
I'm not sure. I think it's a knockout.
I think that should be also 3 points because it's just like that.
I don't know. Who
3,
knows?
2, 1, go. No.
Go, Dransword.
Come on, Hellsscythe.
Oh, I win.
Oh.
I win all day. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let it.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
Ooh.
I don't know. I don't know if that was an extreme dash or if you knocked me out the top.
I think that was an extreme dash.
Who knows? I'm gonna use Hellsscythe now.
Okay.
You all right?
No, I fell on the ground diving for
Dransword.
Dransword, and I fell off where I was standing.
3, 2, 1, go. I win. Nice.
That's a good battle.
Yeah.
Alright, watch this epic one.
I think Hellsscythe is just generally better.
2, 1,
Let
go.
it. Oh, nice. Epic is right.
I'm pretty sure your camera's on low power, Drake.
Nice hit.
Thank you.
That was good.
Thank you. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, Hellsscythe. Go. Stream dash.
Stream.
Stream dash.
I'm just better with Hellsscythe overall.
No, Hellsscythe is just a better Beyblade overall.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let
Shoot.
it rip. Ooh, nice. Good hit.
I think, can I use Blue Knight Shield now?
No, this is just a Hellsscythe versus Dransword battle.
Okay, now it's my turn for Hellsscythe.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let it
Shoot.
rip. This isn't. Beyblade X is interesting up until the last, 15 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
And even that it sometimes is. But you never know.
I've got a question about the channel.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go.
Is this channel?
Ooh, big hit. Nice. Nice.
3, 2, 1, go.
Outside.
Aren't I using Hellsscythe?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Never mind. Dransword. Ooh, I win. Nice.
Nice.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Thank you.